Have you ever accidentally set your professional code files to open in Notepad always, and now your entire project folder looks like a mess of generic icons? It's not just an eyesore, it's a workflow killer. Every time you double-click, you're fighting the OS just to get into your IDE. You try to right-click and open with, but that's a temporary band-aid. Even if you change it once, the default app association is stuck. In Windows 11, the old control panel way of fixing this is gone, and searching through the new settings menu can feel like a maze if you don't know exactly where the default by file type toggle is hidden. Let's fix this permanently and get those professional icons back. Hit the Windows key and type default apps. This is the central hub for every file extension on your system. But don't just scroll through the list of apps, that takes too long. We're going to look for the specific extension that's causing the headache. Scroll all the way down to choose defaults by file type. In the search bar, just type .py. You'll likely see it's either unassigned or pointing to a basic text editor. Click that entry, find Visual Studio Code in the list, and select it. This tells Windows that from now on, these aren't just text files, they are Python scripts. The second you hit OK, look at your desktop. The icons refresh instantly, and your Py files finally have their professional identity back. No more open with prompts, just a clean, direct path to your code. If this fixed your workspace today, drop a like and subscribe for more Windows and Python pebbles.